From Denver 7, this is 7 News.
Straight ahead on 7 News Saturday morning, it's getting to be that time to get busy pulling out the lights, the other holiday decorations. But before you start hanging those lights, you'll want to hear how you can save some money and have a brighter display this holiday season. This year, a lot of you are turning to more energy-efficient lights for your holiday decorations, and the newest technology is called LED. It's not only brighter than incandescent lighting and offering more color options, but it means greater savings on your energy bill. And joining us this morning to talk all about it is Casey Thomas from the Associated Landscape Contractors of Colorado. Thanks for coming in this morning.
Oh, thank you for having me.
It's a really fun time of year. A lot of people like to put up these decorations, but with the new technology, they may not know what their options really are and how much they could perhaps save by going with the newer lights as opposed to pulling out those old ones. So let's talk about cost first. When you buy these lights, what is the cost comparison, and then long term, what do you save?
The cost comparison, LED lights can be about twice as much as incandescent lighting. However, as you mentioned, you do save your money in the energy efficiency and then also your time. Your time is very valuable. So when you're doing incandescent lights, you're stringing out the lights, you have to find shortages. Which bulb is loose?
Right.
What's wrong with the wire? With LED lighting, you don't have that problem.
So if one of the bulbs short out, do the rest continue?
They always stay lit, and LED lighting, I just brought this strand to show you the difference in the size of the bulbs. They're a smaller bulb, but these bulbs do not come out, so they won't get loose on you.
And they're more efficient that way as well.
Absolutely.
How long do these last?
Well, compared to incandescent lights last 1,500 to about 3,000 hours, and LED lighting lasts up to 50,000 hours.
Wow.
Which translates to about from 2 years to 3 years to up to 10 years with LED lighting.
That could be worth it too if you don't want to
You're not
buy new lights all the time.
Exactly. You don't have to buy new strands every 2 to 3 years.
And you know, every year we do the stories, or we at least hear the reports about the Christmas tree fires that start because of the lights, and maybe there's a short or a problem with the cord. How safe are these LED lights?
The LED lights are very safe. They don't draw as much current, so you don't run the risk of any electrical fires, no sparks. With the LED lighting, you can string up to 30 strands together on one outlet. With incandescent lights, you can only do about 10.
Right, you don't want to blow the fuse or create an unsafe situation.
Exactly.
Okay, so let's talk about how we string the lights. A lot of people have their strategies. Do you recommend anything in particular?
We do. We have a few different techniques, and certainly if you have any questions, you can visit the ALCC website and click on the Find a Pro, and there's professionals members that can help you answer questions.
All right, we're looking at a few pictures.
Yes.
Walk us through what we're seeing.
Oh, yes. This picture is simple elegance. It's a small space where you don't have to be limited. You can still do a nice holiday display. And that's very simple net lighting and spheres. The spheres come in various sizes and colors. And with that one, they made a whimsical chandelier. And it's simple elegance. It's very nice.
So you don't have to go big to really make a statement.
Right.
Although in this situation, we are seeing somebody who really went big with the lights on both the banister and the balcony and the trees alongside. How many strings of lights do you think something like that would take?
Oh, the evergreens themselves probably would take about 150 linear feet of lights. Those are wrapped with C7. And the nice thing about evergreen trees, you can use different size bulbs on one tree. So you can use the larger C7 or C9, what you would normally use on a roof line. And then you can also interwrap that in a different direction with the smaller lights, and it creates a really nice effect.
That does sound nice. And then finally, this last picture, we're showing what look like different types of trees, not the evergreens, but the deciduous trees.
Correct.
Which can be a little more tricky because the branches are further apart. Any tips real fast for our viewers on that?
That picture shows the trunks wrapped a different color than the branches. You can flame wrap branches, and that's when you wrap the individual branches with the wire of lights. You do need to be aware of the weight, and you don't want to do really small branches. So something that's about an 1.5 inch diameter. You can wrap those, and it creates a nice effect.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much. That was some great information.
It's my pleasure.
It is always beautiful to see those lights.
Absolutely. Thank you for having me.
Nice to meet you.
Nice
and as always, for more information, log on to thedenverchannel.com. Click on the big red TV button, and we will link you then to the Associated Landscape Contractors of Colorado's website.